Assalamu alaikum, class. You just got finished talking about you're one of a kind, you're special. We talked about, probably about all the things, the talents, the attributes, the goals, everything about you, your classmates, and etc. Now we're going to talk about, using it in what I see as like past tense, past future tense, past perfect tense, and other tenses. Okay? So right now we want to use it. It's kind of what we talked about. So first one's the easy one, past tense. Okay? Now your teachers probably taught you about past tense, talking about things from the past. Okay? So my example here is what is something you did what is something you learned. Let's stop right there. Learned, ed. Most past tense words you're gonna learn or did, sounding like that. Like what did you do? What did you learn? What skill did you have then you don't have now? Stuff like that. This one is an example of past. What is something you learned when you were younger? This is a long question that helps you now. So, if I asked you, this is a long question, what is something you learned when you were younger that helps you now? So, if I was to answer this question, it looks long, right? It looks like a hard question to answer. But it's very simple. You to I, like I've told you, take all these I's. You could say, I learned when I was younger. See, I, when I was. Turn this into was. When I was younger, I learned when I was younger to always ask questions. To always ask questions. Or I learned when I was younger to always tie my shoes. To always look down while I'm look at where I'm walking. Because if I step in something, I might get poop on it, or whatever things on the ground could get dirty, my shoes, or so many things you learned from the past that make you different. I learned to talk to people, stuff like that. That's how it makes you different. You're one of a kind, and we can cover past tense. Okay, past tense. So that's the easy one. We're gonna do the next one, which is past continuous. So past tense is just talking about something that you did in the past, or learned, or said in the past. What did you say in the past that you regret? Stuff like that. Now, past continuous, we can use something like the past again. I put C-O in, shorten it, okay? So, past continuous. You have the past. So, what it is the past, like this example. What was my example? The talent. So if I asked you, what talent do you have? You can answer like this. Talent I have or the talent, what talent do you have? Yeah, what talent do you have? The talent that I have okay, so this is just current, right? So far, have. The talent that I have is when my dad is driving, I'll finish the sentence for you guys. I can read, I'm able, or I would be able to read a book. That's past tense, there's past tense. Okay, or I'd be able to look at my phone. I looked at my phone while he's driving. This is the continuous, while I said the past. And then the last one is present perfect tense. I won't write that one because it's simple. How long did it take you to learn English? It took me till I was 10 to learn to speak in English. It took me, past tense, okay? That's past perfect. All right? It took me, or I learned English in 10 years. Okay? All right? That's pretty much it about past continuous, past tense, and past perfect. But there's other ways to do this, but to put it in your one of a kind, that's how you do it. You put it within talent, attribute, and skills and other things that make you different. That's what makes you different. Okay? Alright, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.